In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Dhgate. We'll walk through the entire checkout flow so you can pay safely and confidently, and I'll share simple tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening dhgate.com in your browser or launching the Dhgate app. Use the official site or app and make sure your connection is secure. Tap sign in and access your account as you normally would. Being signed in ensures your saved addresses, coupons, and order history load correctly before you check out. Next, search for the item you want. Take a moment to evaluate the listing carefully. Check the seller's rating, read reviews, especially those with photos, and confirm that buyer protection is displayed on the page. It's also smart to review the product options like size, color, and any variant details, and scan the shipping timeline and return policy so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, you can choose Buy Now for immediate checkout or Add to Cart if you want to keep browsing and pay later. If you use the cart, double check quantities and variations to make sure everything matches what you intend to purchase. At checkout, confirm your complete shipping address. Ensure your recipient name, street details, and contact information are correct and formatted for your country. Accurate details help carriers deliver on time and avoid delivery holds or returns. Review your order summary before you pay. Look for any available coupons, verify the shipping method and cost, and confirm the total. When everything looks good, continue to place order or proceed to pay. On the payment page, select PayPal as your payment method. If you don't see PayPal listed, that typically means the seller does not support it for that item. You can try another seller of the same product or consider a different payment option if PayPal is essential for you. You'll be redirected to PayPal in a secure window. Sign into your PayPal account and choose how you want to fund the purchase: your PayPal balance, a linked card, or a connected bank. Make sure the payment details are correct and that your billing information is up to date. Confirm the payment by selecting Pay Now or Confirm. Wait a moment for processing. You'll return to Dhgate automatically and your order status should show paid once everything completes. To track your purchase, head to My Orders, open the order, and select Track Order. You can monitor processing and shipping updates there. If tracking takes a bit to appear, that's normal until the carrier scans the package. And that's it! You've paid on Dhgate using PayPal.